Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to search within the categories in the Temu application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the categories button at the bottom of the page. And as you can see, at the left side of the page, you will find all the categories. So just click on the one that you're interested in. And I chose jewelry and accessories. So now you will be able to see some further categories within that, like men's glasses or women's jewelry. So just click on the one that you want to search for, and then you will be able to find all the products in that category. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.